Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to be looking into price action this week on GBPUSD, gold, US30, EURUSD, and GBPJPY. So for those of us that have been following us on the Telegram channel, you will see that we have been having an insane amount of win rates. I was able to pass my consumer trading account in just a space of 1 week, okay, just doing simple setups, okay, simple setup, maximizing profit. Okay, without further said, let's look into the video and see what the market has in stock for us. If you're new to this channel, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the post notification bell icon so you don't get to miss our next video. Without further said, let's dive into the charts where we'll be looking into price, strictly price, just price. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the video. This week we are looking for more bullish presence. Okay, so the market is bullish. Last week we were able to close bullish. This week we will still want to close bullish. Okay, you don't want to go against the trend. You don't want to be the guy that with his $10,000 account and then pushes this market all the way down. Like, it's not going to be possible. So what's going to happen here is we're going to look for opportunities that is still in line with the direction of the market. So this is what we have. We are seeing the market close below here, this way here. Forget about the way how messy my chart is. As long as it's giving me money, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm okay. So this is I'm connecting my trend line here from this bottom up to this top, then from this point here to this level here reacted, and then we are expecting it also to react also to this trend line and then push further up to this level. Okay, if you know me too well, you know that I trade basically psychological levels and nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so I always want to be that person that would like to see price leave a particular level and then want to join it to this next level, because definitely the market moves from zones to zones. Like I said, if you've not seen my previous video, do well to go and watch it. Market moves from zone to zone. So if the market is leaving this zone, definitely it's going to the next zone. It's not just going to stand at any point. Okay, it stands at psychological numbers. The market reacts to psychology. Okay, it reacts to the emotions of the market. It reacts to so many things. Okay, demand and supply, Fibonacci, and so on and so forth. Okay, so here, like I said, I'm going to be connecting the bricks here. I have two trend lines here. If you've not seen my video on how to get trend lines, do well to watch it also, like I said. So this is my trend line here. Okay, so at any point in time, I'm expecting price to come back. Where I watch out for price and on psychological levels. So I would like price to react to 2800, which is a psychological level, and then push to 2900. Okay, currently now price is at 2850 level here. You can see that was where price just got to and then stay reacting. Okay, so we'd like to see buyers break and then take price to this level here. So from this point here, I'm a day trader, so I look for intraday moves. So from this point here to this point is about 50 pips. So out of these 50 pips, I was able to catch like 30. Okay, so that's just as easy as that. Once I see, this is a 4-hour time frame. So once I just see a breakout of this structure here, okay, we are going to this next structure and structures above. Just as simple as that. All right, so this is what we're looking out for here. So this is my first connecting trend line. Let me change this to red, just like the way I have it here. Let me change this one to red. Yeah, so this is what I have. Now this is a simple trend line strategy. We saw a first touch, second touch, and then for trend line to be valid, we would like a third touch. So the third touch will come in. It's not going to close below this level on a higher time frame, but on a lower time frame is fine. It closes inside this range, inside this channel here. From this line here to this line is a channel. So it's fine for price to dip into this area at any point in time, but it should not close just the way it did here. It didn't close inside here. You see, it didn't close. There was no close inside this area here, this channel here, just as the same way it did here. Okay, like I said, I'll be referencing just as the same way it did here. First touch, second touch, third touch, yeah, just like this. Okay, the market is not going to close inside this channel. If it closes inside this channel, that trend line is invalidated. So we would like to see the market continue pushing down. Just the same way here also. It's fine it comes to this level here. Okay. It should not break and close inside this level. Okay, the other things I look out for, I watch the way, if especially when it's psychological level, yeah, just like 2750, yeah, so price can come back, okay, reach into this level here, which is most people will call here some order block, stuff like that. So reach into this level, but will not close below here, yeah, just by weeks, yeah, the market can reach into this level, get above it, then close, and then continue pushing up. Okay, I don't want to see the market close inside here on a higher time frame. On a lower time frame, it's fine, yeah, on a lower time frame, but on the 4-hour time frame, I don't want to see price close here. Okay, once price start closing inside this zone, though this is a very wide one, so the chances of this market once it gets here to continue buying, if the market succeed closing below this red line here, the chances of it continue buying is very slim, except it reacts to this bottom 2700 here. For any reason that will make it close below here, we would like to see from this point here, from this point, except it breaks above, yeah, from this point, any reason that we see it closes, we would like to see double, like more like a double top. Okay, this is a 4-hour time frame, so it's going to be more like a double top confirmation to short this market, looking at the liquidity. But so far so good. I'm strongly bullish on this market. So what I'm looking out for, like I said, is price to reach into this channel here. This is my buying area. I only buy when price gets into this range here, yeah, this level here to this level here. So that is the only point I buy. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, this is on the expectation of the third touch. That's why I look to go long. Okay, as simple as that. All right, so that's that for GBPUSD. I'm more bullish than bearish. I would like to see price retrace to 2750 level, which will also serve as this high, this high, this high here, previous market structure break, and then retest. And this is something I'm looking out for, just like this. And then my stop loss about 20 pips. Yeah, but once I go down to a lower time frame, I'll be able to get better stop loss placement. So I'm just looking at this from the 4-hour time frame. Entry and exit will be called on our Telegram community. So if you're not yet on our Telegram community, do well to check the link and then join the Telegram community. So this is what we are looking out for maximum, the last buying area. Okay, I'm always interested in the last buying area. So if price can successfully break and then come to this place, this is where I'll be looking to get interested in buying this market the last time. So any reason why the market will break this low and then I'm going bearish, it's just as simple as that. All right, so that's it for GBPUSD. I'm more bullish, and also my moving average reacted here, so likely it's going to hold the market to the upside. All right, so if I look at it from the daily time frame here, the market is strongly bullish. Okay, well, if we take out this high here, which is the 2800 level, which is this high here, if you take out this high, let me toggle this off. If you take out this high, the next level where we would like to come back to will be this area here, which is the 130, which is this level, 1.300. Okay, so this is the level where we'll be expecting more like a toggle, like strong hold between buyers and sellers. Okay, so just like yeah, that's it. And that's it for GBPUSD. We are still expecting the market to push further up, reacting to this level here, which is 2750. It may not really get to 2750. Okay, so that's why I said entry and exit will be called on the Telegram channel. Once you see opportunities, I will relate to the general group. So that's it on GBPUSD. We expect a little retracement to somewhere around here. Okay, even 2800 is also okay. Yeah, so this market can just drop to this 2800, and then from this point it just give a push to the upside. All right, so that's it for GBPUSD. We are bullish on GBPUSD. This is the setup we have in mind. And then also let's go to GBPJPY. I can see my pairs are really relatively scanty. Yeah, so now GBPJPY is bullish, but it's printing bearish structures. Now, like I said, my trend line, this was an anticipated move from the last time. Okay, so we're able to catch this move. Yeah, but I didn't get filled in because of spread in this particular trade on my broker, but that's fine. Yeah, we're able to catch this move from the upside to this next psychological level here. And then also we're able to catch this move from this point here up to this next psychological level here. So if I go down to the 15-minute time frame, you are going to be seeing it very clear. Like, let me just show you from this point here, from this level here, from this price point to this price point is 100 pips. All right, so as a day trader, if you're able to catch 80 out of 100, it's a win for you. Like, there's nothing you want to tell me. 80 pips can comfortably put you in the tables of kings. So that's it. Yeah, so we are going to be GBPJPY is going to be a bit tricky. Okay, why did I say it's going to be a bit tricky? Why? Because when price got to this level here, which is the 1.18200, okay, 18200 level, we saw rejections. Okay, then when price got to 183, we saw rejection back down. Okay, which shows us that okay, these bulls that came into this market at this price point might likely be exhausted. Okay, but you see the market has not fully closed below this bullish candle here. So if we go down to the 15-minute time frame or the 1 hour, let's use the 1 hour time frame. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, we saw rejections here because the market came back to this level, tested it, and is rejecting off it. You can see clearly rejections. Okay, but be that as it may, we will not enter until we have our confluence. So what's our confluence? Psychological level. Is there any psychological level close? Yes, which is a 18250 level. Sorry, 18250. So this 18250 can serve as what? Support or resistance, as long as the psychological level is strong. So I'll be looking to buy at 18250, and then my stop loss will be about 20 pips, which will be relatively to this high. And then my first take profit will be this next psychological level, and then the other will be this next psychological level. So this is what I'm anticipating on GBPJPY for this week. Okay, though I will still have a weekend, like a midweek section to like track the whole progress and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm expecting a sell. Why? Because price is below my moving average 1, rejected off the psychological level 2, and it's below this psychological level here. So we would like to join the sellers available at this those people selling at 18250 level. Also here is also serving as retest of support. Here served as support. Then here most likely will serve as resistance. Okay, here also serves support. So this level is that kind of level that can hold and that cannot hold. Okay, you can see those people looking into selling here, so was not able to hold. Those people looking to buy here at some point was not able to hold, then finally pushed out and then got to this level. Okay, so that is just it. Yeah, this was our first week. We're looking to buy this market from this point here to this level, which we're able to achieve. But before buying, you have to sell to buy. So we're able to capitalize the move. First take profits here, we got filled, and then when the market started going, we saw this was a bearish pressure that was supposed to take this market down. Okay, you understand? We're supposed to take this market down, but it failed. So entry setup was at the break of this high here. You can see it here at the break of this high. Then I'll take profits here and then here. Okay, so it took a long time to get filled up somewhere around here, but along the line here I broke out, I broke even, and then somewhere around here this high here, I took my profit, like I took my full profit. Yeah, because you can't tell. The market will always be the market. All right, so that's it. On GBPJPY, we are looking for sells. So far so good, except the market says otherwise. Okay, except the market says otherwise. This is our level of structure. We are looking for the market to give us something like this. Like this, and then drop. All right, so that's it for GJ. Let's see AUDUSD. I was in a sweet move on AUDUSD. AUDUSD, like I spoke with my community yesterday, we are forming head and shoulder patterns. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, another thing I showed my students is the way I will always want my head to form. Yeah, I always want my headline to form relatively at, like, it should be slanty. You see the way it is here? It's slanty, showing me that okay, the possibilities of it going up is wide. Okay, it's possible. Yeah, it's possible. So once I'm able to get the break, though I'm already in a move here, but once I'm able to get a break out of this level, which is 0.6700, once I'm able to get a break above it strongly, then I will look to continue my buys up onto 0.68 and then 0.69 and then 0.700. Okay, so that's the way the setup is going to look like. Yeah, so at each point I can take my move from here, 100 pips to this point, exit, and then once I get the retracement from this point here, I take a move to this next one, exit. Once I get another retracement, if I see the market reacting to this psychological level or to the 50 level, I can still buy from the 50 and take to this level. I'm going to expose something on Fibonacci, okay, but that is going to be subsequently. Yeah, I'm going to expose something on Fibonacci. So if you want to see the video on Fibonacci, how you are able to use Fibonacci properly, I think most people make mistake in Fibonacci usage. So how you are going to use Fibonacci properly, yeah, so that's it. We are looking to continue our buys to the upside. Yeah, just here market structure was violated. You can see this high was swept. Market came back to retest this area of support. So the market is creating more like a double bottom, also creating on a larger time frame the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so we always want to join the big players to do their thing. Okay, so once we get a good confirmation, we can also get an entry from this price level here, which is 0.6650. 0.6650 will likely be another area of entry for the buy side. Okay, so we can get something like this, a little retracement if there's no momentum to this level, and then we look for price to deliver to the upside. Okay, so that's it for AUDUSD. Now let's see for gold. I don't want to waste more time. Like I said, I don't want to spend so much time on this. Yeah, I don't want to spend so much time on this because, at the end of the day, it's all money. Yeah, so gold is a bit tricky. Like I said, gold is a bit tricky. The market was bullish as of last week and last month. Towards the end of last month, the market was bullish. It got so bullish, and then we had a bearish presence show itself, and then this previous week that just passed, we had bulls show their presence. So, it's kind of conflicting. Yeah, in as much as the trend, the main trend is bearish. Yeah, but the current trend is bullish. So we have to balance this. Now, we are going to be looking to sell and buy at the same time. Why did I say so? If you look at this area here, I don't want to draw anything because the other ones have drawn pop up. So please try as much as possible to follow my mouse, follow this mouse with me, please. I'm sorry about that, but please follow the mouse and then watch where I stop. Now, if you look closely at this area here, you see that this is a high, this is another high, this is another high here, high here, high here, this is another high. So what is above highs? What is above highs? Liquidity. We have buy stop liquidity, we have stop losses, and so on and so forth. So now the market is bullish. Remember, like I always say, the market is moving to take out liquidity. It goes to the upside to take out buyers. It goes to the it goes to the upside to take out sellers, and goes to the downside to take out buyers. So those people buying from a low price will want to take them out once demand and supply matches up. Okay, so now what is the current price? The current price is 1925.847. But I'm not interested in the numbers after the decimal point. What I'm actually interested in are those whole numbers, those psychological numbers. I'm not interested in any number after the decimal point. It's none of my business. I don't buy at those prices. So the next level where price will likely get to, let me turn on my, so let me turn it on. So from this level here, let me clear this for your sake, YouTube, for your sake. Okay, you see, this, my trendline strategy is also going to repeat itself here. So let me extend this to the nearest psychological level close to price. This is why I do it. I extend it to the nearest psychological level that is relatively close to price. I will always want to, if you see the way I'm drawing this thing religiously, I have to go back and then confirm it, because any mistake you make, you might get faked out. You understand? Any slight mistake you make, you might get faked out, because you'll be like, okay, this has broken here. My strategy says it's not that you are getting faked out because you are doing the wrong thing. You are getting faked out because you are sticking to your plan. Do you understand me? So try as much as possible to get your details right. Okay, so here's the first touch. This is the second touch. Like I said, trend line validation, 3 touches. Okay, so here we had a failure to break through this high, but that's fine because wicks can do magic. So let's see what the wicks did. The wicks came in and created equal tops, which is double top. Okay, but that was as a result of market closure. Like the market was about to close, so volume was going down, take profit was going on. So there were a whole lot of things that were going on towards the close of the market. So I was not expecting it to close strongly bullish. Okay, so this was market close, so there was some stuff going on. So be that as it may, I'm expecting now. I have a connecting trend line from this top here. Forget about, in as much as I'm looking to buy, I don't neglect the sell side liquidity. The same way I did it here, I would like price to reach into this level, but should not close inside this area here. I'm very strict with it. Yeah. Sorry, I'm very strict with it. I want price to get there, but the way price reacts when it gets there matters a lot to me compared to when price gets there. Okay, so I want price to get to this level. Now, what is in this area? 1940. Okay, this is 1940. Now, if price can get to 1940, 2 things can take place. Either it does a liquidity sweep out all these sellers resting above this high and then drop back down, or the bullish presence continue going up. That's my bias. Okay, why did I say it's going to drop that back down? This is trend line touch. This is, moving average here. Likely moving average will cross over. Trend line also from 1st of June will also touch. Okay, so all this confluence can strongly make me sell. Okay, but also I can still sell from here. Why? Because the market got to this level and did not close above it. So these sellers, this pressure here for a sell will likely come in. This pressure here for a sell will likely come in. So I can also look for a sell from this point, taking it back to 1910. Okay, it's just as simple as that. You move price from this level, take it to another level. You move price, just join those movements, join the movement. It's going somewhere. Yes, follow it. Okay, you can see you got to this level here. You got to this place. From this point here, you can take a buy, TP here, take a sell, TP here, find a buy opportunity. If you are too scared to get in from here, you can find a buy opportunity from here, TP here, get a sell opportunity from here, TP here, get another sell opportunity from here, TP here. You know, in as much as it's so very easy for me to say, it's not as easy like that in the market, because the market will retrace at some point, do some fake out, do one or two things, and then go in a direction. Yeah. So, but that's to show you that it's possible you catch every move. Okay, it's possible. Yeah, it's possible you catch every move. You put buy stop, sell stop, and if it was to be a robot doing this thing, I think it would get more accurate result, because it will be timely, it will be very accurate. All right, so let's see what we have here. Yes, so we are going to be looking at this price point right here. Now we can also see a rejection from here, because this was as a result of NFP. Don't forget NFP. So NFP was a very, like, we caught NFP. I was able to make about $1,900 from it. So yeah. So that was the NFP move. From somewhere around there, I was able to catch this move up onto this psychological level, which I exited in our 1,900 plus thereabouts. So that was it for last week. So I'm below this level. I've not closed above it yet. So far so good. Since I've not closed, since I'm not able to close, since price I'm not able to close above it, we are still going to be bearish. Okay, so I'm going to look to shell this market to this level first. Okay, once I see price get to this level, if I see that sellers are interested in shorting this market, from this point here I can strongly sell. But from this point, this is more like a range. From this point here to this point, I may do nothing until it either breaks above or breaks below. That's just a simple thing on gold. So let's see. This is a setup on EURUSD. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys this trend line strategy. Yeah, it's a very simple stuff here. You can use it on your own. You get, it's not compulsory you use it with me. Yeah, so you can, if you feel yours is better, it's okay. I'm not worried. Yeah, so this is it. Now this is when price closed outside this level here. All right, so let's see what we have here. Okay. Now I'm going to toggle back to the line, the normal candlestick chart, and then I'll connect it from this top here down this way. Okay, just like this. All right, so, and also the bottom, but here relatively the wicks are not so much, so this bottom can stay on its own. Yeah, so this is what we have. Price was in this area here, and you see it didn't close below. Even here too, when price got to this level here, even when price got to this level, it didn't even close inside this area here. It still had to respect it and then closed below. Let me toggle this black. Okay, so price still respected it and then still closed below it. So this was a breakout. So from here, you can get the buy, because this was supposed to be a seller's move right here, but we got a buy as show itself. So from a break of this level here, we can get a buy on this psychological level, which is 1.0900. Yeah, 1.0900 level. So from this level, we can get a buy that will take us to this level. First of all, the 50 level, 1.0950, take profit 1, then take profit 2 around this level. So that was what we had in mind. Yeah, that was what we had in mind. So, yeah, on EURUSD, we are still going to be bullish. So far so good. The market is still respecting this area here, this high here, and still respecting this level here that broke through the structure. So this might just be more like a retest of most people order block. Okay, but I would like it to really be the retest if I'm going to see price deliver to the downside. But if it doesn't be the retest, we're going to see price continue pushing to the upside. So just as simple as that, just be in line with the trend, play the trend scheme. Okay, so it's more difficult to implement than to say it. You know, most times we say all these things, and then when it gets to implementation, our hand gets shaken. So what you have to do is that it's not something you build overnight. It's a consistent stuff. Yeah, you just have to do it over and over and over and over again. Okay, get better. I've been doing this since 2018. Yeah, I've been doing this since 2018. One of my students on the call yesterday, I asked him, when did you join? He's in the US. I asked him, when did you join? He said 2018, and everybody was wild because he's been milking, has bought cars from it. You get, so you don't have to be in a hurry. Most times it's from my signals. You get, he's into car dealership. You get, so he has been able to use Forex to do certain things positively well for himself. So that's it. And then just observing. Trading is very boring. Yeah, because we always think we have to do so much technicality. We always think we have to do a whole lot of things. Meanwhile, it is simple, basic principle, repetition, and consistency. That's it, guys. And I'll be calling it a wrap here. Guys, thank you for watching till this very end. Do well to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the post notification bell icon if you saw this content helpful to you. And also share this video to your friends and loved ones that have also Forex trader or are aspiring to become Forex traders. Without further ado, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.